Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to use Google Bard as a French translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. When faced with a French text that needs to be translated into English, the procedure is straightforward. Begin by copying and pasting the French text into the chat. Now comes the fascinating part. Proceed your request with "Translate this in English." After confidently hitting the enter key, watch as the magic unfolds. Google Bard effortlessly presents the English translation, unveiling the essence of the French content. But the linguistic exploration doesn't end there. Should your curiosity guide you to explore the French translation of an English phrase, the process maintains its consistent elegance. Just as before, initiate your query with "Translate this in French" before entering the desired English text. Observe how Google Bard responds adeptly, producing the corresponding French translation with ease. While the tool's capabilities are truly remarkable, it's wise to acknowledge that its accuracy may vary, especially in intricate or nuanced contexts. For matters of significance, seeking a secondary review is a prudent step to ensure precision. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.